Freshworks CRM app. The pros, the cons. Freshworks CRM app is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform designed to streamline sales, marketing, and support. Most people get this wrong if they assume it's just for tracking contacts. Freshworks CRM also automates workflows, reporting, and customer engagement. On the pros side, Freshworks CRM offers contact and deal management, email campaigns, and sales pipeline tracking. Automation features reduce manual tasks, while integrated analytics provide insights into sales performance and customer behavior. The platform supports multi-channel communication, including email, phone, chat, and social media, ensuring a consistent customer experience. On the cons side, some users report limitations in customization compared to larger CRMs like Salesforce, and integrations with certain third-party apps may require extra setup. Advanced features are only available on higher tier plans. In conclusion, Freshworks CRM app is a versatile solution for businesses seeking an easy-to-use platform to manage sales, marketing, and customer engagement. Its automation, multi-channel support, and reporting make it ideal for small to mid-sized teams.